Hey, what's up awesome people, this is Aditya and you're watching Techie Singh. In today's video I'm going to share you the steps how you can enable fast boot in your Windows operating system. So let's go for it. For that we need to go to the start menu, go to control panel. There on the top right corner we'll be able to see the search option where we have to search for power options. As it is available now, we'll click on it. On the left side corner of it we'll be able to see a lot of options there where we have to select the choose what the power button does. Once we click there, we'll be introduced to a new Windows where we'll have an option to turn on fast startup. But this thing won't be available currently, but you can change the settings up there. After you click there, this thing will be available and you can take it on. So this is it. In this way you'll be able to turn on your computer at a much faster rate than the previous ones. If you like this video, then put down a thumbs up down there and do consider to subscribe this channel for such awesome contents. This is Techie Singh signing off.